Okay, if you would turn to page 7 in your packets, I'm going to show you how to divide by one-digit numbers or one-digit divisors. So we're going to do the first two together. So we have 279 divided by 7, and then we have 413 divided by 5. Okay? So, can 7 go into 2? No, I don't have enough, right? If I have $2, can I give that $2 out to 7 people without breaking it up? No, I can't. I can't do it evenly, okay? Without going into parts. I don't want to give any parts. I want to keep with whole numbers. So 7 can't go into 2. So right above the 2, I'm going to put an X, okay? If a number does not go into it at the beginning, you have to put an X up here. Okay? It will not affect your numbers or your answers now, but it will affect your answers when we start dividing decimals. So it's a good habit to get into right away. Okay? Can 7 go into 27? Yes. How many times? Well, 4 would be too much because 7 times 4 is 28, so it has to be 3. When we do this, it's like the Price is Right. We're trying to get as close to the number without going over. 3 times, and when we work our way back around, it's going to be multiplication. 3 times 7 is 21, and then we subtract here. 27 minus 21 is 6. Drop down the 9. Okay? This is where knowing your times tables comes in very handy. So 7 can go into 69 how many times? Well, I know that 7 times 10 is 70, and that's 1 over. Remember, I don't want to go over, so 7 times 9 would be it. So 9 times 7, when I work my way back around, is 63. I subtract here. 9 minus 3 is 6, and that would be 0, so my remainder would be 6. If you need to use a multiplication chart, you may use a chart to help you out. They're in your tracker, or I have them here in the classroom. Okay? Same thing over here. 5. Can it go into 4? No, so above the 4 I'm going to put an X. Can 5 go into 41? Yes. Well, how many times? Well, it can go 8 times. And I'm going to write that 8 right above the 1. That's right where I'm working with. We need to keep those lined up when we're doing these, okay? Like I said, it's very important when we get into dividing decimals to get the right answer with those. If you get it into as a habit now, you won't have to worry about it later. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, 41 minus 40 is 1. Carry down or drop down to 3. 5 can go into 13. 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. And that, since I'm out of numbers here, that would be my remainder 3. Okay, hopefully this is a review. I know you do this in 4th grade, and I think you do a little bit of it in 3rd grade also. So hopefully this is a review. You'll complete pages 7 and 8 before you move on. If you have any questions, see me, see Mrs. Donnelly. During a tight time, we'll help you out the best that we can. And if you need grid paper, again, to keep any of this organized or a multiplication chart, see us.